Hello everyone, welcome to Tutor Here. So I'm back with another English grammar video and the topic for today is articles. Now, what do we mean by articles? An article is a word which is used before a noun and it is used to modify the noun. The nouns which include a person, place, object or an idea. Now look at these sentences. She wanted ice cream. Dog attacked me and ran away. She is singer. Now these are some sentences but somewhere they are incomplete. Where? You can see. Here it's incomplete. Wanted an ice cream. There's a blank. Then before dog there is something missing. Similarly, between is and singer there is something missing. What are these missing words? They are known as articles. So there are two types of articles that we are going to learn. It is first one definite articles and second one indefinite articles. Now the first type is definite articles. For definite articles we'll use the word the. It is called as a definite article because it is used in relation to a particular thing or a person. That is, this article indicates that the noun is specific. For example, the unique ones are the sun, the moon, the earth, the president, the universe. We are talking about a particular thing. And here, specific things. It can be a movie, he is watching a movie. But here, we are talking about one specific thing. He is watching the movie. He is watching the girls here. So the is used when we are talking about a specific thing. Now let's look at some of the examples. First one is the dog that bit me ran away. So here the will be the article and it's describing or modifying the noun dog. Second one, the moon is shining in the sky. Here the will be the article used and the noun is moon. Third one, they were watching the movie. Here we have used the article the and the noun is movie. Now the second type is indefinite articles. We use a or an for indefinite articles. So the indefinite article is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. That is, it is not specific. And the article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel. So to make this clear, I'll give you some examples. So let's look at the first example. I would like to have an orange. Here, an is the article and orange is the noun. So we have used an instead of a because in orange, o is the vowel. Similarly, in he is an honest man. Here, an will be the article, honest will be the noun, and here, h is not a vowel, but still we have used an because in this case, honest, h will be silent. I saw a movie last night. Here, a will be the article and movie will be the noun. He is a university student. Here, a will be the article and university will be the noun. Here, you can see u is the vowel, but still we are not using an. Instead, we are using a. Why is that so? Because in university, when we say university, we get the sound of u, y-o-u. That is why this is an exception over here. So to sum up, there are two different types of articles, definite and indefinite. And we have seen that in definite articles, we use the word the, and in indefinite articles, a or an. Here, we have used the pirate. Why? Because we know about this pirate. This is a specific pirate. Whereas here, we have used a pirate. This can be any pirate. We don't know about him. Now it's time for some questions for you. So I'll be giving you some questions. You have to select the correct option and put it in the comment section. So the first one is, are you attending dash reception today? Second, she wants to become dash engineer. Third, he hopes to join dash university soon. Fourth, I want to eat dash apple. Fifth, Please give me dash useful gift. Alright then, thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time.